With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. Write a program using JDBC and JSP to support editing, address modification, mobile number, email ID update of saving, bank account details. The program should take account number or register mobile number as input. Write a program to create simple CRUD, create, read, update and delete application using Spring Boot and Hibernate for online library management. Make necessary assumptions required. If you need answer of these questions and others too, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number.